Hello friends, I am going to suggest you that how can we organize men's closet. I have organized my husband's closet and he loves it. You can also do it by dividing ideal space in the closet. Even if you have a small space in the closet, you can utilize it properly with few organizers. Most of the men are always in hurry while going to the office in the morning. And usually it's very difficult to find the clothes and accessories if they are not organized properly. It's better to keep everything in place to save your time and make the life more easier. So let's start. For men's closet organization, hang your work and casual clothes separate section in your closet. Keep enough space between each section so you can see each clothes properly. If you have limited space in a small closet, divide your section with an adhesive tape like this: formal pants, formal shirt, formal jeans and casual shirts. Selecting an outfit will be quick and easy. Make sure all of your hangers look the same color. It means all of your hangers look like your eye focus on your clothes. Install these type of hook on an empty closet wall of your closet door to hang your belts and other miscellaneous accessories. Do not let tied up your hanky, socks, other accessories. You can use this divider organization to keep everything separate. Watches can be protected and organized in a various ways. Use this special compartment organizer to keep watches safe. This is second drawer. We can keep things like grooming kit, card holder, bill, headphones and glasses. Roll nightwear clothes, t-shirt and pajama into this storage box. We do not traditional and travel clothes frequently, so we can keep the clothes behind the nightwear clothes inside first shelf. In this space, use the partition box for undergarments. We can utilize both sides of the shelf to keep a document. This first shelf looking well organized along with so many clothes and accessories. These clothes are used frequently, so we can hang these clothes on hanger in first shelf. Pick these clothes quickly to save our time. But some clothes we do not use frequently, so we can keep these clothes in second shelf inside shirt stacker wardrobe organizer. I would highly recommend these organizer as these are very spacious and look visually appealing and smart. You can keep your iron clothes inside these organizer. This shirt stacker completely collapsible when not in use, and this make more space in your wardrobe to store more clothes. This small remaining space can be used to keep extra pair of socks, hanky and undergarments. Lower shelf can be used to keep winter clothes, camera bag and related accessories. Top shelf can be used for travel bag and the other things which are rarely used. Follow the 1 year rule. This one is simple. If you have not worn an item within the last year, donate it. Otherwise, it's taking up valuable space and you probably won't miss it. Now you guys can see this closet is looking very nice and well organized. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget your reviews in comment section. Thanks for watching my video.